What's poppin', guys? My name is Alex. Welcome back to a brand new series actually, because last week I placed a community post where I asked you guys like, what do you want to see in terms of like Adobe software tutorials, and it was a very close call. I think it was like 49% voted for After Effects and 51% voted for Premiere Pro. In this video I'm gonna basically do two things. First of all, I want to ask you guys to place down in the comments what do you want to see in terms of like Premiere Pro tutorials, whether it's like that, the Infinity War, this integration effect that's gonna happen, like how to dissolve, everything like that. Just basically anything you want to see that I already covered in Vegas Pro, such as cloning yourself, teleporting effect, glitch effect. And as well, to start off this series, I'm just going to show you guys the best render settings for Premiere Pro 2019, because no matter what kind of effects you used, no matter what kind of video you edited, you also need the best render setting in order to export your project. So that's what we're going to do today. Make sure to stay tuned, smash the like button down below, and let's get started right after this awesome brand new next level intro. Okay, so now that we are in Premiere Pro, what we're going to do is we're going to pretend that this is going to be a fully edited video. This is just the intro that you guys saw. So let's say that we finished editing our video. We need to now export it to be able to share it on YouTube or on any other website. So what we're going to do is we're going to hit File and we're going to hit Export at the bottom, and then we're going to hit Media. All right, so then what we need to do is we need to pick our format in the list. So I'm going to pick H.264, which is this one. And then we need to just customize a couple settings. Right here it says preset, so then what we can choose is, for example, Facebook 1080p, a high quality 720p HD, and that is the one we need. You can also have YouTube 720p 1080p. Go ahead and pretend that this is going to be for YouTube. Then we're going to pick YouTube 1080p full HD. We need to go to the video tab right here and make sure that it is 1920 by 1080. We will also have the audio, which is AAC, and you want to also pick the audio quality has to be set on high. So now that we have done that, obviously, for example, like the multiplexer and the captions, you can just use that how it is right here. Use previews. That will actually make your render faster, because right here it says only for sequence export for Premiere Pro. If preview files are already generated in Premiere Pro, selecting this option will use those preview files and make rendering faster. So I'm just going to click on use previews, and then obviously time interpolation is going to be frame sampling. You can also just click right here on save preset, so you can actually pick that one each time you want to render your video. And then the last thing that you can do is choose a location where you want to save this file. So right here it says output name. If you click on there, for example, hit desktop, and then you can just call this render test. I'm just going to give that name for a second. Then I'm going to hit save, and now you can click on export. Now it's going to just start rendering the video, guys. It is that simple, and it renders actually pretty fast. Even though this is like a 60 FPS clip, it is pretty quick. So basically, once this is finished rendering, you can now upload it either to YouTube, and if you want to say, okay, I just want to have this one for Facebook, I think honestly like a YouTube template can also fit, for example, Facebook. But if you want to be 100% sure that it will be like, it will be optimized for Facebook, you can just pick Facebook right there in the list, and that's basically how you can do it, guys. So this is basically how to export videos and the best export settings for Premiere Pro. And like I've mentioned at the beginning of this video, make sure to drop your subjects for future videos. For example, a glitch tutorial, how to clone yourself in Premiere Pro, anything like that. So guys, that's it. Thank you guys so much for the continued support. I'll catch you guys in a brand new video on the channel very soon, and I'll see you guys next time.